Okay, so you turn on your Yamaha receiver RX-V475 or 575, and it comes up with internal error. It may even say something about model error, something like that, and the receiver won't do anything. Now, I've corrected it, fixed it, and tried to duplicate the problem just so I can show you, but it won't let me do that. And you may have looked online and you see a lot of videos about taking the top off, soldering across or shorting out two little lugs on the main PCB board or the computer PCB board that's in there. And on this model, you fortunately do not have to do that. So what you do is you turn it off, and you're going to hold down tone control and info button at the same time, and you're going to power it on. And it says no protect, and I just assume that means that basically you can program and screw the receiver up if you don't know what you're doing. But what we want to do, use the program buttons and move across to, that's not an S, that's not a 5, that's an S, so that's S5-1, and that's where we want to go. And it says software PCB, and now you'll hit the straight button, and it'll switch to model, and that will allow you to program in the model number into the unit. In the case of this one, I think there was some sort of power surge, maybe a lightning strike or something, but it confused the unit and it forgot basically who it is. It doesn't know which model number it is. So switch to model, and then you want to hit the net button. And there's 475, and now to scroll through them, you don't use the program button, you use the straight button again. So there's model H4066, V575, which is what it was on when I turned it on, and it would not function. H5066 and V475. Hit the net button again, switch back to PCB, and what that does is that keeps it locked into place. So for instance, if I switch over here, I'm hitting the straight button, it won't change now. So that's why you have to switch it over to model if you're actually going to change it. So I'll leave it on PCB, we're at 475, and then you just turn it off, turn it back on again, and I am going to wager that you will be back up and running at that point. And that's all you need to do. And it's nice to know in case, a year from now it goes down again. So if you found my video helpful, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Just starting this new channel out, and I will be doing helpful hints, the occasional repair, and product reviews of audio and video equipment. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.